Captions can be used to display any kind of text in the workspace in a text box, and these captions are stored as part of the project file. Unlike atom labels, captions are not associated with any particular atom. To create a caption, go to the Workspace menu and select Add Caption, or click the Add Caption button on the Labels toolbar. You can enter the caption text, including any line breaks, in the Workspace Caption Text area. Choose the background style, font attributes, and color here. Drag the caption to a desired location. To edit a caption, double-click on the caption, or right-click on it and choose Edit Caption. The border around the caption indicates that it is selected. Click outside the caption to deselect it. There are several options for deleting captions. The most straightforward is to simply press Delete when the caption is selected. Another option is to click and hold the Delete button menu on the Edit toolbar and choose Delete Captions. Highlights are graphical annotations of a set of atoms in the workspace, with optional text and an arrow pointing from the annotation. There are three types of highlights. A silhouette highlight creates a color border around atoms and bonds. A contrast highlight reduces the brightness of non-highlighted atoms. A saturation highlight reduces the color saturation of non-highlighted atoms. Highlights can be created, edited, and deleted in the Manage Highlights panel. Highlights are also stored with the project file. To open the Manage Highlights panel, go to the Workspace menu and select Manage Highlights, or click the Highlights button on the Labels toolbar. To create a new highlight, click New, give the highlight a name, and choose the highlighting method you'd like to use. Use the Highlight Atoms picking tools to pick the atoms in the workspace that you wish to highlight. Continue to add as many highlights as you wish. You can use the options in the Text tab to add text to the highlight. To create an arrow from the text box in the workspace to a location relative to the structure, click the Arrow tab. To define a location of the arrowhead, use the arrowhead centroid tools. The arrowhead will then be placed at the centroid of the selected atoms. To create a highlight quickly, simply select a structural type from the Quick Highlight button menu, and pick atoms for the highlight in the workspace. To save the image, including your highlights and captions, click the Save Image button on the Workspace toolbar.